TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another work from home job lead. I'm so excited about this one. This is rare to find and actually sounds very, very easy to do. But real quickly, before we get into it, if you're new here, this channel is all about finding and bringing you the best work from home job leads daily. So make sure you're subscribed if you never want to miss another job lead. And as always, the links to everything I discuss will be in the description box below. And if you find anything helpful, please help me out by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with your friends and family. But today's job lead is brought to you by Pinterest. If you've ever made a Pinterest board, people put all kinds of things, outfits of the day, home decor on Pinterest, and you can curate or go find different things and bring them together all in one board, kind of like categorizing them. And Pinterest is hiring just for that, a curation specialist. This is remote for my United States folks only, and this is a contract 1099 temporary position. So this is going to be great to get in and make some extra money or get some experience to put on your resume. But they are looking for someone to curate content. And what that means is you go out and you find the best content quickly across different categories such as holidays, events, and different topics. And you curate them for Pinterest and Pinterest boards. Now, once you go find these things and curate it, they do want you to write copy to pair with the curation, including titles and descriptions. You don't want to just go find a picture of a gorgeous Christmas tree and add it to the holiday collection without describing. Maybe this is a winter wonderland Christmas tree, so you will have to write titles and descriptions. They do want you to be able to maintain guidelines that can be used across teams and markets with great inspiration, diverse action, and shoppable content on Pinterest. Of course, because any business wants to make money, so all of these things that you're curating for a holiday board, they want people who are looking at that to be able to go spend money and buy those things. So you'll also become a Pinterest expert, identifying diverse and high quality creators, brands, and publishers whose content wants to be featured in the products. Now, as far as what they're looking for, you do not have to have any kind of degree at all. They're looking for someone who has great writing and communication skills, someone who is a great pinner with a solid understanding of how to use Pinterest, someone who is highly organized and detail-oriented, someone who can work well in a flexible and fast-moving environment. You need to be a team player and have a strong awareness of diversity with the latest shopping and retail trends. Now, of course, they are also looking for someone who can use either Microsoft Office or Google Suite, and they would like someone who has 2 years of work experience demonstrating either editorial judgment or managing some type of project. But if this sounds perfect for you, this is a temporary contract position at Pinterest. So they have a contractor that will be hiring you, which is PRO Unlimited, but this does pay anywhere from $34 to $40 an hour. Of course, pay is always based on experience and location. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.